Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you guys doing? And I hope you're doing fine. Okay, for today's activity, we are going to learn how to construct sentences using present continuous tense. Okay. Now, actually, you have done this activity before, but I did it differently. You use the word wall activity from the link that I have provided. Okay, now let us start. From the first one, you look at the first picture. What the man do? Okay, the words given to you are what the man do. So because the man, if you look carefully here, the man is singular. Singular means one, seorang. Jadi, so you use is. Okay, and from the picture you know that this man is cooking. So the answer is he is cooking. What is the man doing? Okay, however, there are another way to ask questions other than using question tag what. Okay, now the boy. One boy. When it is one, you use is. Do you remember that? Okay, when it is one, you use is. So you start the question by, is the boy? Okay, now the verb given to you, the verb is watch. But if you look at the question again, is the boy, because it is a present continuous questions. You have to add ing, like the first one. Okay, if you look at the first one, there's an ing. Same goes with the second one. Is the boy watching TV? Then you put question mark. So, is he watching TV? If it is yes, you put yes. If it is no, you write no, he isn't. Okay, now because the question start with is, let us look at the third question. Okay, how is bagaimana? The American children go to school. Now, American children, there are many of them. Okay, American children, it is plural. So you ask the question, how is or are? Are. How are the American children because it is present continuous, going, go, it becomes going to school. So, how are the American children going to school? By bus. Or you can write they go to school by bus. Okay, now let us look at the fourth one. Gareth speak with Daisy. Speak what? Bercakap. Now we cannot start with what. Okay, we have to start with is or are. Now, Gareth is one person. If it is one, you have to start with is. Okay, is Gareth? Look at the verb speak. Speak, bercakap. Okay, we have to add ing. Is Gareth speaking with Daisy? Adakah Gareth bercakap dengan Daisy? Yes, he is. Okay, this is Gareth and this is Daisy. Now, number 5. What the penguin do? Okay, now we look at the word penguin here. Okay, one penguin. If it is one, What is the penguin or what are the penguin? The answer is what is the penguin? Look at the verb do. You have to add ing, doing. Okay, and question mark. What is the penguin doing? It's swimming. It's swimming, okay? Or you can write it is swimming. Okay, now let us look at the last question. The children on the boat wear uniform. The children on the boat wear uniform. Okay, now the word given children. Children is plural, more than one. When it is more than one, you have to start with are the children on the boat. Now look at the verb. Where? We have to add ing. Okay? Oh, sorry. Wearing a uniform. Are the children wearing uniform? The answer is no, they aren't. Okay, so this is the activity for today. I want you to complete it and then send the picture of your completed work to the Telegram group. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.